What happens if your lawyer knows you're guilty? We still do our job. Guilty or not, everyone deserves a lawyer defending them to keep the system fair. Plus, it doesn't matter to defense lawyers, so they likely won't ask. It's not their job to ask if you're guilty, it's their job to ask if the government can prove you are. Even if you confess, they'd still defend you. Lawyers only look at facts, and confessions aren't always facts. What if you're taking the blame for a crime someone else committed? Your lawyer will stick to their job and leave the question of guilt to the jury, but they still have to play by the rules. So if your lawyer knows something and lets a witness lie about it in court, they'll be in very big trouble. Rockstar Games just confirmed this secret character for GTA 6. But first, do you want to know what Grand Theft Auto really is? There's two types of theft, petty and grand. Petty theft is a misdemeanor, but if you steal something worth a lot, it becomes grand theft, which is a felony. Depending on your state, that amount is usually around $1,000 to $2,000. Grand theft auto means that most states treat any car theft as a serious felony. Meaning if you steal a beat-up $900 Corolla, you could be punished the same as if you steal a brand new Rolls Royce. So that's the law around Grand Theft Auto. I made up the stuff about the secret character. I'm just here to teach you about the law.
Things they don't teach you in school, but they should. Law edition. Moving into a new place? Take pictures of anything your landlord can use against you to keep your security deposit. Did you know insurance companies hire people to watch every move you make in public? That way they can pay you less in your injury case. They can even look through your home window. Thinking about proposing? Depending on who broke up with who, you might not get that ring back.
Sorry, officer, Whoa! Don't do that! You scared me!
Don't ever get out of your car unless the cop orders you to do so. Officers are trained to see you as dangerous before anything else, so if you suddenly exit the vehicle, I'm gonna assume you're either looking to fight or flee. If you're ordered to exit the vehicle, remain calm. Exit slowly and carefully. Don't risk your safety. If you think the officer is overstepping, the best place to fight it is in the courts, not in the street. Hey TikTok, is your refrigerator running?
Mike, you know prank calls can get you arrested if they're repeatedly harassing. Is your refrigerator running? Is your refrigerator running? Is your refrigerator running?
Or sometimes if it's offensive or threatening. I'll make sure you'll never walk into court again, legal seagull.
Oh, you'll pay for that.
Hello?
Guy who has fewer subscribers says what?
What?
Ha, this is going all over the internet.
Devin, you know we're in California. You can't record me without my consent.
Whatever, this place has terrible reception anyway.
Can you hear me now?
Do when the cops pat you down. Cops can only pat you down if they have a reasonable suspicion that you are involved in a crime or you're armed and dangerous. If the cop says, "Can I search you?" Repeat after me. "No, officer, I do not consent to a search." They may still pat you down, but they can only pat the outside of your clothing. They cannot reach in or squeeze your pockets unless they believe you have contraband or weapon. If things aren't going your way, ask them if you're free to go. Here are some weird laws that you've probably broken. In San Francisco, it's illegal to have a pet bear, gorilla, crocodile, or any other wild animal. So you got to stick to dogs and cats.